So hello guys, it's our crib for a night. Open the TV for me. Let's see. Para tayong king dito, king. King like a king. Oops. What the warehouse is very posh. Very posh guys. Very posh ang aming tinitirahan ngayon. Let me open the door. The front door. Oh, how to open this? Ipapakita ko yung aming tirahan guys na for a night ha. Look at that aming tirahan guys ha. Itong building na to. Oh, yung building na yan. So, i-open mo nga yung ating TV. And this is how it looks like our... Oh, your sit down here. Punta na tayo din be. Itawagan mo kasi para...
Hindi ko natawagan si Dante to drive.
Oh, kaya nga. Para ano na tayo ba? Look at our house for a night. And here's the kitchen. The kitchen, guys. Look at the kitchen. Oh. Posh. Oh. Everything is here. You can cook everywhere. Everything is here. Nothing to worry about. Yeah. Meron silang, may freebies na ganyan. Meron silang Biscoff na freebies. Everything is here. Oops. Then where's the plates? Meron silang mga kape. Meron silang kompleto. Yan. This is very nice. And it's a ref. May gatas. Oh, may gatas. May everything. You want espresso. What else? Hanapin natin yung plato. Wala lang yata plato. Wala. Hindi ko pa makita. Wait. Dito. Ayun ang plato, guys. Yun yung mga plato. Meron pala. And then, so yun, Kuya, sleep here, ha? Huh? Okay. So this is the bedroom number 1. Look at the bedroom number 1, guys. It's very posh. There's a lot of things there to put in. And we're about, ayan. So, yan natin, maiwanag pa, magtipid yung kuryente. Koy, sa toilet ang akin. There's the bedroom number 2. You sleep like a king. And look at our surroundings down there. Yeah. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys ang aming tirahan. Ayan.